Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. So it's Friday, last day of studying for this week. So let's go straight to your homework or worksheet for today. So please look for this page here, which has the date of December 18, 2020. So let's start because it's a Friday. So usually on Fridays, we review the letter and the number or math concept that we are studying for the week. So for this week, we are studying the letter R and the number 12. So on the first page of your homework, there is the letter R, and R sound is like that in a ring. Everyone follow teacher. Er, ring. One more time. Er, ring. Okay, so now after that, you have to use your pencils to trace the small letter R here. So make a short standing line and then go back up, make a short rainbow. Okay. Okay, another one there. So after you trace the small letter R here on this line, you can go down here and write some on your own. Let me make it nicer. It's really hard to use this very small pencil. I will make it bigger again. Okay, so now let's go to these words here that begin with the sound. Now let's say the name of each picture first and then write the missing beginning sound. So the first picture is a rabbit. Er, rabbit. Er, rabbit. So I will write a small letter R here. Make sure you make the sound very clear. Rabbit. Now let's go to the next picture, which is a rhino. Rhino. Say it loud. I want to hear the sound. Rhino. So again, write a small letter R here. Then let's go to the next one here, which is the rat. Er, rat. Er, rat. So I will write another letter R here. Then we'll go to the last picture for this page, on this page, which is the rocket. 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 So I will write another small letter R here, and then we can go to the next page. So the next page of your homework is practice writing the letter R. I know it's writing again, it's a little bit boring activity for you, but as I told you so many times, and I always tell you again and again, I will not let you go, and you cannot go to K5 if you don't know how to write the letters and the numbers properly. So how do we write the letter R? One standing line, make an ear or a curved line, and then make a slant line. A small letter R, what we did earlier, a short standing line, go back up and make a rainbow. Very good. Now let's go to the math activity that you have for today. Okay, so here we have whistles. Bert! We have whistles. So what you have to do is you have to count how many whistles do we have here. Now, are you ready to count? Okay, so you should count with teacher. So let's point one by one while counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, once again, we count all the whistles all together. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you have to write the number 12 inside the box. So number 12 is 1, number 1, and number 2 put together. So I will erase this one here. Okay. So the last page of your homework will be this one here. You have to count the animals on each set and write the correct number on the lines. Okay, so I will make it bigger. Okay, so how many cats do we have? Let's count. 1. So I will write 1 here, which is just a 1 standing line. Okay, so next, count how many elephants do we have. Then write the number here. Next set, how many snails do we have? Start counting. Then write the number here. Let's go down a little bit. How many polar bears do we have here on this set? Count and write the number here. How many frogs do we have? So you start counting. Write the number here. Next set, how many jaguars do we have? Let's count. Then write the number there. Next, how many dogs do we have? Let's count. Write the correct number here. Next set, we have dolphins. So count how many dolphins do we have? Then write your answer here on the line. Next, we have fish. How many fish do we have? Let's count. Then write the number here. Now let's go to the bottom part of your worksheet. How many dolphins do we have here? Then write the number here. I think we have the same answer from this dolphin here and the dolphins here. But it's okay. Just count properly and write the correct answer. Now let's go to the next animal. We have rabbits. Count how many rabbits do we have here? Then write your answer on the line. And the last one here, how many seahorses do we have? Then start counting. Then write your answer on the line. So that's it for your homework for today. And I will see you again later for Zoom. And I will see you again on Monday. So stay safe, everyone. So keep doing your homework. I want to see all of you soon. So let's just hope that everything will be better. Okay, so I have to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Take care.